Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Website redesigns are extremely common. Businesses update their websites to improve design, modernize branding, or create a better user experience. However, redesigns can also introduce serious SEO risks if they are not handled carefully. Many companies launch a redesigned website and suddenly notice a significant drop in search traffic. This happens because important SEO signals were unintentionally changed or removed during the redesign process. In this video, we look at why website redesigns can impact SEO and what steps can help protect your rankings during a relaunch. When a website is redesigned, many elements can change at once. Developers might update the site structure, reorganize navigation menus, or change page templates. Sometimes URLs are also changed to match the new structure. While these changes may improve the appearance or usability of the website, they can also affect how search engines understand and navigate the site. Search engines rely on signals like URLs, internal links, and page structure to determine how pages relate to each other. If those signals suddenly change, rankings can temporarily drop while search engines reevaluate the site. One of the biggest SEO risks during a redesign is changing a page URL. Over time, pages accumulate authority through backlinks, internal links, and search visibility. If the URL changes and proper redirects are not implemented, those signals can be lost. For example, if an old page had multiple backlinks pointing to it but the URL is replaced without a redirect, search engines may treat the new page as completely different. This can result in significant loss of authority and rankings. For this reason, URL changes should be handled carefully and supported by proper redirect strategies. Another common issue during redesigns involves internal linking. When the page structure changes, internal links often change as well. Pages that previously received strong internal links may suddenly receive fewer links, reducing their importance within the site. Internal links help search engines understand which pages are most important and how pages are connected. If these links are removed or changed without careful planning, some pages may lose visibility in search results. Maintaining a strong internal linking structure is essential during a redesign. Another risk during redesigns is accidental changes to important SEO elements. When new templates are introduced, page titles or heading structures may change automatically. In some cases, metadata might be removed or overwritten. Even small changes to titles, headings, or content structure can affect how search engines interpret a page. Because of this, it's important to carefully review these elements before launching the redesigned website, ensuring optimized titles, headings, and content remain intact to help preserve rankings. If URLs change during a redesign, implementing 301 redirect is critical. A 301 redirect tells search engines that a page has permanently moved to a new location. This allows much of the original page's authority to transfer to the new URL. Redirects also prevent users from encountering broken pages if they click an old link. Without redirects, both users and search engines may encounter errors which can negatively affect rankings and user experience. A proper redirect strategy is one of the most important parts of an SEO safe website migration. Before launching a redesigned website, it's important to run through an SEO checklist. First, create a full list of old URLs and map them to their new equivalents if changes are to be made. Next, review internal links to ensure important pages are still connected within the same site structure. You should also confirm that page titles, headings, and metadata are still optimized. Finally, update the XML sitemap so search engines can quickly discover the new site structure. These steps help minimize the risk of losing search visibility during the transition. After the redesigned site launches, monitoring performance is extremely important. Tools like Google Search Console can help track indexing status, crawl errors, and traffic changes. It's normal to see some fluctuations as search engines process the new version of the site. However, If large drops occur in early monitoring helps identify the cause quickly. This allows SEO teams to fix issues before they cause long-term ranking losses. To summarize, website redesigns can improve user experience, branding, and functionality. However, they also carry significant SEO risks if important signals are changed without planning. Issues like URL changes, lost internal links, and missing metadata can all impact rankings. By preparing an SEO strategy before the redesign launch, businesses can protect their existing search visibility while improving their website. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.